Rangers, of course, is the little 2.5 metre V8 with an extra overhead. Very popular racing and drag racing at the minute. Now this was like this winter there was racing on the video. She was built about 1962. I believe to be one of Norman Buckley's boats. Norman Buckley was a very prominent racer on Riverdale. Extremely pretty boat. It was very much like a marine nursing organisation, really, when you think about it.